What is going on, you guys? Welcome to my channel. In today's video we got the Maserati Gran Turismo convertible that we gotta work with, and so bumper's destroyed completely. There's no way I'm gonna fix this, so we got a brand new bumper sitting right there that we will be wrapping in FlexiShield. The name of the color is Racing Red. The thing with FlexiShield is it's not just any other wrap. So this wrap basically has PPF built into the vinyl. It's crazy. It's like the next level of wraps. Alright guys, there you have it. I'm not done yet. I just need to do this door, the door handles, and the mirror. This side is done, so I'll just give you a better idea of how the door handle is gonna look and the mirror part. So this is the 6D carbon fiber high gloss, but the front end is finished. Alrighty, let's talk FlexiShield real quick. I'm gonna point out some stuff from working with it to actually, the material itself. So one thing I noticed about this vinyl is that this is Racing Red, by the way, by FlexiShield. Here's what I noticed. There is more orange than there is red. If there is no form of light hitting it, or if it's not sitting in direct sunlight, it will look more orange than it would look red. Like, some may like it, some may not, but if I turn on my camera right now, you can see it turns red. I turn it off, it's orange. Turn it on, it's red. You can see the contrast changes. It's weird. All I could say is this vinyl has a lot of orange peel. For vinyl, it costs a pretty penny to the customer to get. Another thing I do not like is this backside. So there's nothing, it's blank, it's literally blank. For a vinyl that costs a lot of money, the box comes in colorful letters, FlexiShield, but the backside is blank. It's better for me, the guy working with the material, to have FlexiShield displayed on the backside of the vinyl wrap. I don't care if the box comes in blank. All it does, it gives me that extra layer of confidence in your material, knowing that what I buy is actually coming from the place that I buy it from. You know what I'm saying? So Avery Dennison, for example, does Avery Dennison 3M 2080, 1080 hexes, and so forth. Quality vinyl wraps do that. Speaking of hexes, it is a little bit tacky, but this is on another level when it comes to tackiness. So this is not cast, this is not calendared, this is polyurethane. I never worked with polyurethane, but let me tell you, working with this material gave me a lot of headache. All right, working with FlexiShield, what is it like? So here's what I noticed. It creates glue lines for days. It's really tacky, so once it sticks to something, if you're lifting it up, you got a line. So now you gotta heat up the vinyl and then like sort of laminate it on whatever you're getting wrapped. So working with this vinyl is definitely a 2+ person job. You cannot work with this vinyl the way you work with 3M, Avery, those easily repositionable vinyls where the adhesive doesn't activate. Even though you remove the backside, you could still reposition it to your liking. And then you get the corners all fixed up, get it all nicely laminated, activate the adhesive by actually getting a heat gun or whatever sort of heat you use. And there you go, just go about your day, get a nice, clean, evenly wrapped part. This, good luck, it is something else. Definitely gave me a headache. So glue lines for days is what I like to create. Also post heating, I followed their guidelines for the amount of heat I gotta use to get the edges nicely tucked in, and in some areas it will literally peel back still, so the adhesive isn't as strong. So you do need to use a lot of adhesive promoter to prevent that. Definitely there's a lot of improvements they need to make on this vinyl. It is fairly new in the market, but like I said, they made this vinyl easily repositionable, less tacky, and when you're going through post heating, it actually sticks and doesn't like peel back later. This would be a very nice vinyl to work with. Lastly but not least, this vinyl is 8mm thick. I don't know if people know this, meaning that it will not get in areas that like Avery would get in. Because of it being 8mm thick, most of it is because of the PPF most likely. This will be like considered as already pushing it in a way, trying to make it stick here. You got to use adhesive promoter on this line. This will be really, really aggressive. Don't even think about going in there. You probably have to two-piece it and make sure you don't see the cut. Speaking of two-piecing, you will see the cut if it's like right here, for example, or whatever, so definitely do not two-piece it. I do not recommend on this really thick material. And there you guys have it. So I'm gonna finish up the Maserati and do a 360 walk around, and there she goes. There you guys have it. You can see the sun, you can see the reflection. It's insane. It's crazy. I mean, I'm really stoked. The outcome is insane. I was not expecting this. Like, this is crazy. I've never seen a vinyl like this. This is insane shine. So there you guys have it. It looks so good. So this is Racing Red by FlexiShield. There she is. So now we got this car right here that we gotta make look good. So this one's gonna be pretty unique. You guys do not want to miss out using tech wrap. So yeah, stay tuned for this video. Like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.